massage on the common extensor tendon, we place the tendon in the taut position or in a stretch position. How do you do that? By flexing the wrist. And then you look for the common extensor tendon and then you apply the transverse flexion massage. Is that clear? When you apply transverse friction massage over a tendon, make sure that the wrist, or in this, most of the times I don't use oil and powder, when I do this transverse fitting massage. The orientation of the extensor muscle is like this. Pag ganon. So, I place the wrist in flexion and then I'll try to strip it. Following the orientation of the muscle. Why? Because I want to stretch it using the strip massage. I want to loosen the muscle fibers of this extensor muscle. Ano na dyan? You just follow the orientation of your muscle. Relax. It should be relaxed. The bicep should not be in a stretched position. It should be relaxed. And then I could apply the transverse friction massage over the bicep. But, for example, I want to apply deep pressure in a flat position. In a taut position. Taut or stretched position. And then I'm going to apply the deep transverse friction massage. Pag tendon, kailangan stretch. Pag muscle, kailangan flat.